despair I wander, my heart is filled with woe. When on my griefs I ponder, what to do I don't know. For cruel fate does on me frown, and the trouble seems to be there's another fella in this town that is just the image of me. Oh, wouldn't I like to catch him, whoever he may be. Oh, wouldn't I burst his pumpkin head, that fella that looks like me. One evening I sat speaking to a girl as dear as life, when a lady who had just dropped in says, "Brown, how is your wife?" In vain I said, "I'm a single man, though married I wish to be." They called me a swindler and kicked me out for the fella that looked like me. Oh, wouldn't I like to catch him, whoever he may be. Oh, wouldn't I burst his pumpkin head, that fella that looks like me. Then to a ball one night I went, and was just enjoying the sport, when a policeman grabbed me by the arm, saying, "You're wanted at court. You've escaped us twice, but this there time I'll take care you don't get free." So I was arrested and dragged to jail for the fella that looks like me. Oh, wouldn't I like to catch him, whoever he may be. Oh, wouldn't I burst his pumpkin head, that fella that looks like me. I was tried next day, found guilty, and about to be taken down, when another policeman then brought in the right criminal, Mr. Brown. They set me free and locked him up. Oh, but what a sight to see. The ugliest wretch that I ever saw was the fella that looked like me. Oh, wouldn't I like to catch him, whoever he may be. Oh, wouldn't I burst his pumpkin head, that fella that looks like me.